Welcome back, guys. It's St. Patrick's Week, and we're gonna make our snack. It's a green punch. Kind of remind you probably, if you remember back at Christmas time, we made the Grinch drink. It's gonna be very similar to that. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Okay, get everything ready. Now my recipe is for like a large amount of punch, and since I'm not going to be making a large amount, I'm just going to kind of adjust it. So we're going to put a couple drops of food coloring in our sugar, because we're going to put a sugar around the edge of the cup. Ooh. So, mix the color. I just put like 2 drops of food coloring in here, and now you just want to kind of blend it together. I am shooting sugar everywhere. Okay, and you can kind of see I've got some green sugar. I want to have it covering the bottom. So I'm going to take my cup. I'm going to wet the edge of it. Go around the lip real good and stick it in the sugar. Now I've got a nice rim on the cup. Okay. Then next is our lime juice. That stuff's pretty strong, so you don't want to get too carried away with it. And then a little bit of water to kind of help dilute that. Okay. There we go. Put a scoop of our sherbet. And then our lemon lime soda. I'm just going to fill it the rest of the way up with that. Oh. Nice and foamy. And then we're going to garnish it with a lime. I'm going to let some of those bubbles go down here in a second, so I can add a little bit more of the lemon lime soda to it. Alright. I'm going to pull my lime out of there for a second so I can take a drink. If you like lime, you're probably going to like this drink. If you don't, then you definitely won't like it. I love lime, so it shouldn't be a problem. Sugar kind of gets everywhere. This is really good. I enjoy this a lot. Nice green drink for St. Patrick's Day. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks, guys.